Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're watching my video. In today's video, as we are knowing that we have to discuss definite articles, the articles which shows some sort of specification of a noun, they are called definite articles, and the vocab of chapter 5, I would say the chapter 5 vocab, which is given at the end of this chapter on page number 58 that we are going to discuss today. And in the live class we have done till 100, counting from 1 to 100 we have already done. And without wasting our time, let's start our class. So what mean by definite articles? Les articles définis. Indefinite articles we have already done, right? Indefinite articles are sort of articles which do not show any sort of specification of a noun, right? But here you need to remember that if a noun is having a specification, only then we can use definite articles. Suppose if I am saying this is a book, that means there is a book, we are not knowing whether it's of French, it's of English, of Hindi, it belongs to Mr. Murthy, or it belongs to Miss Sanjana. We don't know anything. But with definite articles, we do know that there is some specification. This is the book of Mr. Murthy. That means this book belongs to Mr. Murthy. It's specified. There we can use definite article, right? So here there are 4 type of definite articles: le, le, la, l'apostrophe, which will take the sound of that particular vowel that we are going to use, and le for plural, right? Le, I'm writing in Hindi also, le. This is for masculine singular noun. La, feminine singular. I would like to write here le, la. L'apostrophe will take the sound of that particular noun which we are going to use with it. This takes vowel singular, whether it's masculine or feminine, that should start with vowel, and last would be plural. Either it's a masculine or feminine, that should be plural. It will take le, right? Le, la, l'apostrophe, and le, right? They all means the, or the, you can say. So we need to remember they all means the, whether we are using le, la, l'apostrophe or le, they all will mean the in any sentence or any sort of you can say vocab. But what we have to learn here, that is le will be coming with a masculine singular noun, and la will come with feminine singular noun. L'apostrophe will be marked with a vowel, starting with the vowel noun. Then le will come with a plural noun, right? Now let's see how to use it. I'm giving you one example. Le lit. Le lit means the bed. Bed is masculine, that is why I am using le here. Then la maison, the house. House is feminine, that is why I am using la. L'école. L'école means school. A call is starting with the vowel, so I am using L apostrophe. The school. Now, the last example for les. You can say les articles définis. Les stylos. Les stylos means the pens. This is how to use it. Masculine, feminine, starting with the vowel, then plural. Now let's see how to judge whether we have to put masculine noun or a feminine noun. You can see this on page 55. There's a page 55 here where you have some sort of chat clouds, right? Observe, observe. Now this line is saying c'est une chambre. Here you can see, if you can see carefully, there's a bedroom, right? C'est une chambre. This is a bedroom. Bedroom is given, so we are using une, right? C'est la chambre d'Alain. This is the bedroom of Alain, right? Firstly, we were not knowing whose bedroom is this, but in the second line it is clear that this belongs to Alain, right? So that is why we have to use la. If you have given some specification after the noun of Alain, of Marie, of Mr. Murthy, so that shows or indicates that we have to use definite article. But in the first sentence, no specification after the noun, so it takes indefinite article, right? So let's come here below. Ce sont des papiers. These are some papers. She's holding some papers here. So these are some papers. Firstly, we are not knowing about these papers. In the second line, ce sont les papiers de Julie. She is Julie and these papers are of Julie. Then these are the papers of Julie. So the papers belongs to Julie, that is why they are they. Ce sont les papiers. These are the papers of Julie. I hope it is clear to you. Now, c'est un livre. This is a book. C'est le livre de Robert. This is the book of Robert. So, this book belongs to Robert. That is why we are using le here. So, there is a specification after the noun. Right? Here, we do not have any specification. So, we are using indefinite article. Right? So, that's all for definite article. What is your homework? You have to do question number here 2. Question number 2, which is related to I would say definite article. You have to do it as a homework, right? Now quickly we will go through the vocabulary, right? So you just listen to the pronunciation. That's it, because the meanings are already there. Combien. Combien means how much or how many. Dans. In. De. It can be of, it can be from, of, from or about. Here they have given of, okay. For. For you are already knowing. False. Il y a. There is or there are. Right? Then l'horloge. L'horloge, wall clock. La lampe. Lampe means lamp. La chambre, bedroom. La fenêtre, window. La peinture, painting. La porte, door. Le portable is mobile phone, or you can say laptop also. Le papier, paper. No. No means no only. Oui, yes. Vrai, true. So these are some words that you have to learn, and then you need to write them in your prayer notebook, right? And that's all for today. And we are going to meet in our live class, which will be coming on coming Wednesday. If you have any doubt and you want to get it solved by me, either you can text me or you can call me, or you just simply ask questions during the live class. So till then, revise well, study hard, and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.